Okay, so here we are inside. So this is the website, very basic, really nothing really much to it at all. But I've put a few blog posts on just to show you what you can do with this simple change. We're going to convert this into a much better looking website just in literally a couple of clicks. So this is the website we've got, okay? So nothing, again, like I say, it's not laid out at all. All I'm using is the default theme, which is the 2021 theme. And that's what you get, okay? So that's it. So what I want to do, so we're going to change this site. We're going to completely transform this site now, okay? With a free theme, which I think is very, very good. Okay, so let's go. So we're going to go into Appearance, we're going to go Themes. Okay, we're going to go Add New. And then we're going to type in OMG. Okay. We got this one here called OMG Blog. Alright, we're going to install that. Okay, then we're going to activate. Okay, so now that's activated. So now, let's have a look at our site. Okay, and there you go. And that is a massive transformation. So you can see, logo stays at the top. Obviously, you could change that and put a real logo in. But this is a really nice scroller here. And it just takes your blog posts that you've got and just puts them into this nice scroller. So as you can see, you can scroll across. And then as you go down the page, here is the blog posts that are all laid out. Okay, it puts the categories on the right hand side, recent posts, recent comments. Obviously you can change all this out, but I just think though, for a free theme, OMG theme, very, very good. Another little nice thing I like is when you scroll down the page, you see this little progress bar that starts across the top, okay, which is really good. And that applies to any post as well. Each of the posts have this like how long they are. So 3-minute read, 2-minute read, and so on. If you click onto it, this is when you get the post. And you've got this little animation now. And again, as you scroll down, you see the progress bar. So for your readers, it knows how long. They know how long until they're going to get to the end. I think for a very, very nice, it's a very nice, clean, it appears to be nice and quick, and you can't really go a lot wrong with this. If you're looking for a free theme just for a blog, something like that, then I would advise to check this one out. It's called OMG theme. There's a whole ton of, you can customize it as you would any other one. So obviously you can go in there, you can change the logo over, and this, that, and the other. And obviously they've got a premium version, but I've been playing around with the free one, and I really think that for people that are just starting out, especially someone that wants to create a blog or a simple website, then this could be a good starting block for you. So there you go, OMG theme. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.